A Chromebook can be a germy place. Check out that sandwich on the far right-hand side. That sandwich was wiped on a Chromebook. Before you clean your Chromebook, be sure to turn the power off. For the screen on a touchscreen Chromebook, all you need is a dry microfiber cloth or a soft cotton towel. To clean the rest of your Chromebook, you'll want to use antibacterial wipes, like Clorox wipes. You should never use spray cleaners to clean your Chromebook. If your screen is very dirty, you can use an antibacterial wipe to clean it. If you do, you'll want to dry the screen with either a paper towel or a paper napkin. This will prevent streaking. Don't forget to clean the outside of your Chromebook as well, top and bottom.